Hi there, students. A problem shared is a problem halved. A good proverb. You can also say a worry shared is a worry halved. This just means that if you talk to somebody about your problems, you chat with them, then you're going to feel a lot better about it. And you're going to find it much easier to deal with that problem. Yeah, this is what you tell someone about a problem because it makes it much easier for them to deal with. Okay, this is quite a common saying. Yeah, just talking about a problem with somebody else usually makes it less frightening, less worrying. Yeah, what's wrong with you? You look terrible. You look really worried. Remember, a problem shared is a problem halved. You can always talk to me. Okay? If you're really stressed and you don't know what to do, then yeah, a problem shared is a problem halved. A trouble shared is a trouble halved as well. You can do it in that way. So if you discuss, it's much easier to solve a problem. Yeah, it makes life easier. Yeah, so don't worry about it. Your problems are going to be much easier to deal with if you talk to a friend about it because they can give you independent advice. You're probably too wound up in it, too worried about it, far too close to the problem to be able to actually see what you really need to do. Yeah, it's useful to talk to someone about your problems. It probably should be a friend or somebody you trust because you don't want them to go around telling everybody. Yeah, so not a gossip, but yeah, a problem shared is a problem halved. Come on, I really want to help you. I know you've got all sorts of problems. A trouble shared is a trouble halved, as the saying goes. Let's see, formality. I think most commonly I would use this informally in spoken English, but I think if you're going to quote it, you could use it in a semi-formal conversation or even a semi-formal writing. I'm not sure it's very suitable for something very formal. Okay, so another nice little proverb for you. A problem shared is a problem halved. A worry shared is a worry halved. A trouble shared is a trouble halved. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A worry shared is a worry halved.